Welcome and Dobella. This is the PostGIS function of the week, episode 25. I'm Maurice, and this week's function is SDScale. What is SDScale? It's a simple function that can scale up or down, as in change the size of any given geometry. Let's pop into PSQL and have a look. Let's make it a bit bigger. There are a couple of variants. The first two take a geometry and some numbers, and the numbers will scale up the geometry in the X, Y, and Z dimensions. The other two will scale up a given geometry based on a second geometry. We're going to be focusing on the first two examples. Alrighty, let's do our very simple example. Let us scale up a line. Alright, so we're making a line 10, 10, and we're making a line with points 10, 10, and 20, 20, and we're going to scale that up. SD scale that up to 5 and 5. And let us spit that out using ST as text. And what was 10, 10 now becomes 50, 50, and 100, 100. That is your very basic example. We could have just increased it in one dimension for it as well. Let's do a more complex example involving one of our previous tables from. Let's do a more complex example involving a table from one of our previous episodes. Alright, so I have this table here called title. This was the table where we did the SD letters function. So let us modify a couple of these. So let's recall, we do select all from title. There are 3 rows and each row is one sentence. So let's do update. I'm going to set the geom or the G. I think with geom. Ta-da! Look at that. So I have set up QGIS to refresh every half second or so. We can do the same thing for another by making it smaller. Amida boo boo. There we go. Alright folks, so that is how you can use SD Scale to change the size of geometries. Hope you enjoyed that. That was short and sweet. I'll catch you all next Thursday. Bye.